Welcome to another episode of Architectural Innovations, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping the world of architecture. I'm your host, Your Name. Today we're diving into a transformative duo in the architectural realm, building information modeling, commonly known as BIM, and Autodesk's Revit software. Together, they've been revolutionizing how architects design, collaborate, and bring their visions to life. To help us navigate this topic, we have a special guest joining us. Adil is a seasoned architect and BIM specialist with over 10 years of experience in the industry. Welcome to the show, Adil.
Thank you, Mafiz. It's a pleasure to be here.
Let's start with the basics. For our listeners who might not be familiar, could you explain what BIM is and how it differs from traditional architectural practices?
Certainly. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a facility. Unlike traditional two-dimensional drawings, BIM encompasses three-dimensional modeling and integrates information about a building's components, systems, and materials. This holistic approach allows for enhanced collaboration among stakeholders, improved accuracy in design, and a more efficient construction process.
That's fascinating. And where does Revit come into play in the BIM process?
Revit, developed by Autodesk, is one of the leading software platforms tailored for BIM. It enables architects and engineers to create a unified model that all disciplines can work on simultaneously. This real-time collaboration ensures that any changes made by one team member are instantly reflected across the entire project, reducing errors and streamlining workflows. Collaboration seems to be a significant advantage here. How has the adoption of BIM and Revit changed the way architectural teams work together?
The shift has been profound. In the past, different disciplines often worked in silos, leading to miscommunications and design clashes.
With BIM and Revit, all stakeholders, from architects to structural engineers to MEP professionals, work within a shared environment. This integration fosters better communication, early detection of potential issues, and a more cohesive design process. Beyond collaboration, what are some other benefits that BIM and Revit bring to architectural services?
There are several. For one, the accuracy of the models leads to more precise cost estimations and material quantifications. Additionally, the ability to visualize the project in 3 dimensions helps clients better understand the design, leading to more informed decision-making. Moreover, BIM models serve as a valuable resource throughout the building's life cycle, aiding in maintenance and future renovations.
It's clear that BIM and Revit offer numerous advantages. However, transitioning to these technologies can be challenging. What advice would you give firms looking to make the switch?
Embracing BIM and Revit requires a cultural shift within the organization. It's essential to invest in proper training and to start with pilot projects to gradually build expertise. Leadership should champion the change, emphasizing the long-term benefits over the initial learning curve. Collaborating with experienced consultants can also ease the transition.
That's sound advice. Before we wrap up, are there any emerging trends in BIM and Revit that architects should be aware of?
Absolutely. One notable trend is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into BIM processes, which can optimize design decisions and automate routine tasks. Additionally, the use of Dynamo, a visual programming extension for Revit, allows for enhanced customization and automation within projects. For those interested, there's a great resource on some of the best free Dynamo scripts for Revit that can streamline various workflows.
Exciting times ahead for the industry. Thank you, Adil, for sharing your insights on how BIM and Revit are transforming architectural services.
Thank you for having me, Ali. It's been a pleasure.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Architectural Innovations. Stay tuned for more episodes of Delverse, where we explore the cutting edge of architecture and design.